Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I've got something really exciting to share today, especially if you've ever wanted to build a niche website or a news site but didn't have the time, money, or technical skills to make it happen. I recently came across a platform called AiAutoSite, and it's honestly one of the most impressive tools I've tested this year. AiAutoSite lets you create fully automated professional websites in just a few minutes without writing content, editing videos, or hiring freelancers. You just pick your niche, select a template, and the AI takes care of the rest. It writes SEO-optimized articles, generates video news updates using lifelike AI anchors, and even helps you publish directly using its built-in hosting system. No coding, no plugins, no stress. I love how beginner-friendly it is. Whether you're into tech, health, finance, or travel, AiAutoSite gives you everything you need to launch a site that actually looks and feels legit. You can customize your branding, connect your own domain, and start adding affiliate links, display ads, or even offer the site as a service if you're working with clients. What really sold me was the AI video anchor feature. It's something you don't see in most platforms. Instead of just text posts, your site can have real-time news videos with virtual presenters that keep your audience engaged. Plus, the content supports multiple languages, which is perfect if you're targeting international traffic. If you've been waiting for the right tool to finally start or scale your online business, this might be it. It's fast, easy, and designed to help you grow without getting overwhelmed. If you want to learn more about AiAutoSite, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.